Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction going on Melrose Hill, on the Melrose Hill bypass. So this is the Melrose Hill bypass that we're on, and we're driving from Porus towards Williamsfield. Now this road is going to be incorporated to be a part of Highway 2000, and it will be a part of the Maypen to Mandeville leg. So the highway is going to start at the Maypen roundabout, and at that point it will connect to the existing highway from Kingston to Maypen, and then it will go from the Maypen roundabout. The roundabout will come out and it will just one continuous road to a toll gate where they have a toll plaza, and then from toll gate the highway is going to go over the hill and come out by the Melrose Hill bypass, which is where we are. So this road that we're actually on is where you would get, if you're driving from Williamsfield to the highway, you would use this side road here to get onto the highway. Because remember, even though we're going up this road, it's a one-way on the Melrose Hill bypass now. So this road we're on is where you would go from Williamsfield onto the Melrose Hill bypass, and then this side road is where you would access the highway to Kingston. Now, if you're coming from Kingston, on the left is where you would come onto the Melrose Hill bypass. So if you're coming from Kingston on the highway, you will come onto the Melrose Hill bypass right here, or right where I showed you. So remember, you'll be going up on the left-hand side and you'll be going from Kingston to Williamsfield driving on the left, and then from Williamsfield to Porus would be on the right, but the road is just a one-way right now. And the government announced that this road will be finished by August 2023. Now, it's possible because the bypass, the Melrose Hill bypass, will definitely be finished by August, without a doubt. The other sections of the road now, the Maypen to Tollgate section, I think it's finished. It's the toll plaza that they're building at Tollgate now. Actually, we've driven on that road already. It's finished. And then from Tollgate to the Melrose Hill bypass, that section I'm not sure about. But this section that we're on, the Melrose Hill bypass, will finish by August. And the important thing to note is you can still use the Melrose Hill bypass for free. Although it's a part of Highway 2000, you don't have to pay to use this section because the highway incorporated the existing road. So what's going on here now is that they are upgrading the existing road to 4 lanes, and it's going to be a dual carriageway, just like the Kingston to Maypen leg of the highway. So it's a win-win for everybody. You have a highway that goes into Kingston, and you can also use the Melrose Hill bypass between Williamsfield and Porus for free, but you're getting a much nicer road to drive on. So between Kingston and Mandeville, it's going to take 45 minutes when everything is finished. And this road was relatively cheap, 188 million US, which, remember, it's a toll road now, so you're going to collect toll to use the road. And the section from Maypen to Williamsfield costs 188 million US, which for a road is very cheap. And you're going to collect the toll to pay back for the building of the road. So we have to ask a question. Why not just build this highway all the way to Montego Bay? Because the highway is to connect both major international airports in Kingston to Montego Bay. But they keep building it out in phases, even though it's a toll road, and it's an investment, and you're going to have a guaranteed return on the investment because people will use a toll road. I just don't understand why they're taking so long. So right now, come August, the highway will go as far as Mandeville, and then they're going to build it from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. And then when that highway is finished, they're going to have to build it from St. Elizabeth to Mount Pelion. And they're actually working on the Mount Pelion to Montego Bay leg. So the 2 legs to start will be Mandeville to St. Elizabeth to Mount Pelion. So I'm asking, why not just build a highway in one go? Let's say Kingston to St. Elizabeth, let's say Mandeville to St. Elizabeth costs 200 million US. I don't know the terrain, so all right, let's work it out at 250 million US. And then St. Elizabeth to Montpelier, another 250 million US. 500 million US to build a highway, and you know you're going to make back the money. I think they could do it in one go. And those are just estimates. I'm not sure what the actual cost will be. I'm sure it will be far less. But the benefit to Jamaica would be so great, because you could get from Kingston to Montego Bay in 1 hour 40 minutes. Even 2 hours with the new alignment of the highway. Now remember, Jamaica has no train service. Jamaica has no domestic airline service. So it is the roads we have to use to get around in Jamaica. So every effort should be made to finish this highway. Every effort. And even with this section, you can see it's under construction. They have a little way to go. It will finish by August 2023, because it's just the main part is done already. The road, you can see on the left, they are almost ready to pave it. So it's just this section left. But we're in what? April, we're May now. May, June, July, August. 4 months. It will definitely be finished. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the August 2023 deadline for this road. And also, what do you think about them building out this road in phases? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.